Dell Latitude 9450 versus Latitude 9440 versus Latitude 9430. Which should you buy in 2024? Don't skip a single part of this video. We're diving deep into the Dell Latitude 9450, 9440, and 9430 to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your needs in 2024. We'll cover everything from performance and design to battery life and more. At the end of this video, we'll reveal the clear winner and provide links to purchase in the description. The Dell Latitude 9452-in-1 is a business-oriented convertible laptop that boasts a sleek design and impressive battery life. However, its performance lags behind some competitors, making it less suitable for demanding tasks. This Dell convertible is a looker. It features thin bezels around the display, keeping the overall footprint compact. Lifting the lid reveals a spacious keyboard and touchpad. The aluminum chassis feels sturdy and exhibits minimal flex during everyday use. While a bit on the heavy side at 3.5 pounds, it's still portable enough to fit in most laptop bags designed for 14-inch notebooks. This weight does contribute to a sense of durability, and the overall design is quite attractive. It comes equipped with a 14-inch 2560 by 1600 IPS touchscreen display. While the resolution is sharp, and the display is bright enough for various lighting conditions, the color coverage falls short of OLED displays. The touchscreen is responsive and supports an active pen. However, the weight of the laptop makes it cumbersome to hold comfortably in tablet mode for extended periods. On the other hand, the keyboard and touchpad are excellent. The keyboard features large, well-spaced keys with a comfortable amount of travel, making typing a breeze. The touchpad is one of the biggest you'll find on a laptop, offering plenty of space for gestures and smooth navigation. While it packs an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and integrated Intel Arc graphics, its performance doesn't stand out when compared to similar laptops. It's sufficient for basic productivity tasks, but struggles with video editing or 3D rendering. However, the connectivity options are plentiful. The laptop boasts 3 USB-C ports, all supporting Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, DisplayPort, and power delivery. While a 3.5mm headphone jack is present, there's no HDMI or USB-A port, so you'll need adapters for those connections. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 provide up-to-date wireless capabilities, and optional mobile broadband is available. The Latitude 9452-in-1 shines in terms of battery life. It delivers over 18 hours of video playback on a single charge, making it a reliable companion for long workdays. Additionally, the laptop is equipped with a decent 1080p webcam with facial recognition capabilities, a fingerprint reader, and clear upward-firing speakers. The Dell Latitude 9442-in-1 is a well-constructed business laptop with innovative features and thoughtful design elements, but its convertible capabilities are somewhat limited. It's a sleek, well-built laptop with a comfortable keyboard and touchpad, a great display, and long battery life. However, it's expensive, its performance isn't top-notch, and it's uncomfortable to hold in tablet mode. It is a sleek and stylish laptop with a magnesium alloy chassis that's both durable and lightweight. It's also compact, measuring just 0.64 inches thick and weighing only 3.4 pounds, making it easy to carry around. The laptop has a modern, minimalist design with clean lines and sharp angles. The lid is made of a durable aluminum alloy and features a black finish with a subtle pattern. The bottom of the laptop is made of a similar material and has a silver finish. The laptop's hinges are sturdy and allow the screen to rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to use in laptop, tablet, stand, and tent modes. It has a 14-inch IPS touchscreen display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600. The display is vivid and precise with accurate color representation. It has a wide viewing angle and is easy to read even in direct sunlight. The touchscreen is highly responsive and remarkably accurate. It has a comfortable and spacious keyboard with well-spaced keys and good key travel. The keyboard features a backlit design and offers a pleasant tactile experience. The touchpad is spacious, highly responsive, and accommodates multi-touch gestures. It's easy to use and navigate with the touchpad. It is powered by an Intel Core i7 1365U processor with 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD. This processor is a powerful and efficient choice for business users. It can handle demanding tasks like editing spreadsheets and presentations without any problems. The 32 GB of RAM is also plenty for most users, and the 1 TB SSD provides plenty of storage space for files and documents. It also has good graphics performance thanks to its Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics card. This graphics card is capable of handling most everyday tasks, such as watching videos and browsing the web. However, it's not powerful enough for gaming or other demanding graphics tasks. It has excellent battery life. In our tests, it lasted for up to 16 hours and 33 minutes on a single charge. This is enough to get you through a full workday and then some. The Dell Latitude 14 9430 is a premium business laptop that offers a high-end experience. It boasts a sleek aluminum design, a comfortable keyboard, and a stunning display. The laptop is powered by a powerful Intel Core i7 1265U processor and has a long battery life. However, it is a bit expensive and the RAM is soldered. It has a sleek and professional design. It is made of aluminum and has a glossy finish on the sides and a matte finish on the lid. The laptop is very thin and light, weighing only 1.29 kg and measuring 13.94 mm thick. It is also very durable and has passed MIL STD 820H military grade testing. It has a comfortable keyboard with good key travel and tactile feedback. The keyboard is backlit and has a fingerprint reader built into the power button. The touchpad is spacious, sensitive, and supports multi-touch gestures. It has a 14-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. The display is luminous and sharp, offering exceptional viewing angles. It has a peak brightness of 533 nits and a contrast ratio of 1690 by 1. The display also has a wide color gamut covering 96% of the sRGB color space. It is powered by an Intel Core i7 1265U processor. This is a powerful processor that is capable of handling demanding tasks. The laptop is equipped with 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB solid-state drive. It is a very fast laptop and can handle any task that you throw at it. It has a good cooling system. The laptop remains cool and operates quietly even during intense workloads. It has a long battery life. In our tests, it lasted for up to 15 hours and 29 minutes of web browsing. It has a good selection of ports and connectivity options. It has 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 USB-A port, 1 micro SD card reader, and 1 headphone jack. Additionally, it features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. All 3 Dell Latitude laptops offer exceptional performance, build quality, and features. However, for most users, the Dell Latitude 9450 stands out as the clear winner in 2024. Its impressive battery life, sleek design, and powerful processor make it a versatile and reliable choice for professionals. While the 9440 and 9430 are also excellent options, the 9450's combination of features and performance makes it the best overall choice.